Hey there, hello there. Good afternoon. We are in the throes of working, and Eileen's in here. Say hello, Eileen. She's busy getting the green painted onto the laundry room so we can get that finished up. I've been working on the kitchen floor, trying to get ready for tile there. So this is the Hardie board. That's all been laid in. This is all just dry fit right now. And so getting it all cut and pieced in so that you're covering everything has been a great challenge. It's always fun getting holes the right places and all that kind of stuff. But before I could do this, I had to do the same thing with plywood. And so you can see, again, this is all dry fit. So I'll pull one of these up. The little boards are easier to get up than the bigger ones. You see that plywood went down and it's sitting on top of floorboards like this. So those floorboards were the original. Got a layer of plywood and then a layer of the Hardiebacker that goes on top of that. So that's basically where we're at. This Hardie board gets scored and snapped, if you will, on any of the straight lines. The holes I cut with diamond hole saws, which are pricey buggers and don't last very long at all. And then these holes here, even though you're really not supposed to, I use a jigsaw and it goes through blades like these blades here. And this is for stucco and drywall and whatever. And I've tried metal, I've tried wood. I've not been able to find a masonry blade that fits into our jigsaw. But the bottom line is I consider these blades disposable because they're good for about, I don't know, 2, maybe 3 feet of lineal cuts. So that little hole there took one blade and then it was trashed, and so it had to be thrown away after that. So you're going through blades quickly if you're using them on Hardie board and trying to control dust and the health hazard that it presents with the silica, etc. in it. But anyway, the bottom line is it's all dry fit, it's ready to go, and we'll be mixing mortar here momentarily and pulling all this up, and then I'll be setting it in thinset and screwing it down, which is going to be a long process because it's a lot of screws and a lot of board to get down, but that's basically where we're at and the next step in the kitchen floor. And so with that, Eileen,
what?
Sweetie, do you have anything left you want to say?
No, I don't think so. You're working really hard. Working too hard.
No, we're
But
good.
It looks really good. We're making progress.
So that's where we're at until next time, and I don't know, Happy New Year.